Hello guys, you are welcome to the biggest market in OWERRI, EKE ONUWA. So guys, I will be taking you guys around inside this big market. So guys, all you have to do for me is just to stay tuned and share this video. Share it to people to see. Oh my god. So guys, I went into EKE ONUWA, the biggest market in the eastern heartland of OWERRI Imo State. So guys, this is EKE ONUWA. This is the market that you used to see online. So guys, I'll be taking you guys around in a 3.5 minutes inside this big market. All you have to do for me is just to share this video, like and subscribe. So guys, I'll be taking you guys inside this big market on the tour. So guys, sit down, grab a coffee, let's go. So guys, as I enter inside this market, I saw a lot of things, a lot of businesses, a lot of women, a lot of men hustling, doing their business on a daily basis. So I came into this market and say, wow, people are really trying, people are really hustling. So this is a corner. This is the buildings that Rochas built. Maybe you're from Imo State or you are from Owerri, you have heard about the big market that Rocha scattered and rebuilt it. So this is the building. If you can see at the front there, you will see St. Paul's in Douglas. You will see Douglas down there. So I came up here to make this video, to take this background, to make sure I got every corner of this market. So guys, you can see I am up here trying to get the whole views. So guys, what did you miss about this place? This is the biggest market in Imo State. This is EKE ONUWA, Ekuku Owerri. So I went back to inside the market. So people were looking at me. So I also showed the buildings that Rochas built. So this is all the buildings. This side, there is nobody inside this place. Everybody want to be at the road. Everybody want to be where people are gathering, where people are many. Nobody's inside this shop. The whole shop that Rochas built here, nobody's inside it. Only the ones in the former place. You can see they're still building, but the ones are still empty. Some shops, you see, some shops are still empty. Nobody is inside it. So guys, I take this vlogging step. I say, let me do this vlogging, let me show around this place. So guys, what do you miss about this place? Drop your comments. If you know this market, drop your comments. Drop your comments. If you have been here before, drop your comments. If you have shop here in this EKE ONUWA, drop your comments. I know that many people will see this video. That's why I came to do it. So guys, this is EKE ONUWA, the biggest market in Imo State, Owerri. So guys, please, if you love this video, please give me a like, comment and share. So I'm about going to my house. Thank you guys for watching and please subscribe. See you in my next video. I'll be dropping total of this video in my next video. Make sure you do subscribe so that you will see the video.